how to change rear brake pads on RAV4 2015. Before you start, it's very important to put your car on emergency brake to prevent it from sliding when you lift it up. It may be a good idea to use an additional jack just in case, to make sure your car is very stable and doesn't fall. And it may also be good to put something in between the jack and the car so that the car doesn't get damaged. Now we need to unscrew these 5 nuts with a 21mm socket. For safety reasons, we decided to move the trolley jack to another place. Now we need to unscrew 2 bolts, the top one and the bottom. I'm taking out the brake pad. This one still has some tread, about 30%, but the important thing is it's getting a little smooth and shiny, so it doesn't break as well, and it started squeaking occasionally when you press on the brakes when you back out of a parking spot. Since the new brake pads are thicker, in order to be able to put them back, we need to push in the cylinder. Now I'm taking out the second brake pad. It's always good to use genuine parts. They will serve you longer. Using this tool, I removed all those plates from the old brake pad and put them on the new one. Now I need to put some grease on the sides. And insert it back. And we do the same for the second one. Don't forget to put this little clip on. Now we put everything back. And put the bolts back. Now we'll need to put the wheel back. We'll be done.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and stay tuned for more.